Hi guys, this is a product demonstration of Pronestor Insights, and what I'll show you in this video is how to actually use the data that's collected via your Pronestor Planner, Pronestor Visitor, and Pronestor Display. So first of all, what you're presented with here is the dashboard, where you'll see here in the top section that the Insight module actually analyzes on the basis of 5 parameters. You'll have the occupancy, you'll have the capacity, you will have room bookings, the amount of visitors, and also external meetings where external visitors are included. What I'll show you just like real quick is that in the section up here, you'll see if you click on filter that if you are a larger organization, what you can do is that you can select the organizations that you wish to include in your analysis. So for this data set, I have Copenhagen and Aalborg. What you can do also is that you can specifically select if you want to include specific meeting rooms or if you want an overview of all. This is how to select. And also the room capacity ranging from, like right now I have from 0 to 1,000. What you can do is take that I only wanna look at meeting rooms that range from 20 till let's say 30. Anyhow, this is how you edit. And what you can also do is that you can select the work hours. So my suggestion is always to select the hours where meeting activity is active. So in general, it will be from 9 until 5, or actually I think until 4. But this is something that you as an administrative user can select yourself. Once you click on update, what is portrayed at the dashboard is according to how you have inserted your filter.